Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Alice, I'm a trader on binary options. Today we will trade with you by one of my favorite strategies that is called Williams Cupcake. So I'm starting my trading session and looking for a suitable opportunity to enter position. Let's go! So here I saw an opportunity for a loan. Therefore, at the close of this candle, I made a call option for 2 minutes, waiting for the end of this deal. Great! Our first deal was profitable. I will set the price of the next deal at $200. Keep watching. So here I also saw a good opportunity to enter the position, and at the close of this candle I made a call option for 2 minutes. Now we are waiting for the completion of this deal. Perfect. Our second deal also was profitable. I increased the price of the next deal by $100. Look further. So by analogy with the previous deal, I also saw a good opportunity to enter a position here. I made a call option and now we are waiting for the completion of this deal. So, unfortunately, our third deal was unsuccessful. I will increase the price of the next deal by 2 times to cover the losses for this unprofitable deal. Keep watching. So in this example, I also saw a great opportunity to enter a position and make call option for 2 minutes. Now we are waiting. Great, our first deal was profitable, thus we covered the losses for this third unprofitable deal, so I set the price for the next deal at $500. Look further. So in this example, I also saw a good opportunity to enter position and made a call option for 2 minutes. Now we are waiting for the completion of this deal. Good, our fifth deal also was profitable. So I finished today's trading session. Let's calculate the result for today. We had 4 positive deals and 1 deal was negative, but we recouped it with a deal in which we increased the price by 2 times. In 20 minutes, I earned $1,300. This is a very good result. Today we got a big profit with the help of my favorite strategy. To get the same profit and always be profitable, follow the link in the description to my Telegram channel, where I trade according to my top strategies and give signals for free. I'm waiting for your likes and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. I will be glad for your support. See you soon. Bye!